knows you did the right thing. We're all doing what we can to keep our families safe. We all use hand sanitizer and we wash our hands frequently, especially in public. But at home, health and safety has to be dealt with on a microscopic level. And it can be done all the time, 24 hours a day, inside of the home's plenum, in the air ducts. Now this device is probably a few more dollars than you'd like to spend, but the price is really not that bad, considering the fact you are protecting the most valuable thing you're a part of, your family. The time and energy you spend every day being concerned about the safety of your family is in no way comparison to the relief you're going to get knowing you did the right thing, probably save a lot of trouble, maybe even more than that. You could save a life. That is a good thought. So, if you're not really ready to check out of here, who is? You might check this, the REME HALO Guardian System, and have a qualified technician like myself install it for you. They're available online, but most HVAC companies are happy to order it for you and already have a price built into their company profile to install these devices.